how to quickly propagate lemon trees by air layering using effective materials? In this video, you will learn new technique. Let's get started. First, you need to select healthy, mature lemon branch. Using a sharp knife, remove 1 to 2 inches of bark. Take an edible aloe vera. Apply edible aloe vera gel to the cut area. Take the jute sac and wrap it tightly around the branch. Is a fibrous, insulating material. Then cover it completely with black polythene. After 45 days, look friends, how beautiful the roots have grown. Once the roots well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now, I will plant this tree in a pot. The pot must have drainage holes.